Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make simple margherita pizza. Preheat your oven to its hottest setting and stretch your dough into a thin round on a floured surface. Spread crushed tomatoes evenly, scatter fresh mozzarella, and add basil leaves and a drizzle of olive oil. Bake close to the heat source until blistered and golden, then rest briefly before slicing and serving with extra basil and a little sea salt. We'll mix a quick dough that needs minimal time to rise and still tastes great. Combine flour, yeast, salt, and water, then knead until smooth and elastic. Let it rest while you prep toppings. A short rest allows gluten to relax for easier stretching. For faster results, use warm water and a little olive oil. For deeper flavor, allow a longer cold ferment in the refrigerator overnight. It rewards patience. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car scent when you dash out to pick up pizza ingredients. It smells great and keeps your ride pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on simple, high-quality toppings for classic margherita results. Use crushed tomatoes seasoned lightly with salt and olive oil, not heavy sauces. Tear fresh mozzarella into pieces for even melting and scatter basil after baking to preserve flavor. Bake on a preheated pizza stone or steel for a crisp bottom and charred spots, rotating once for even heat. Finish with a light olive oil drizzle and fresh basil before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.